I mean, it's hard to say exactly what that moment is, but there will come a point where no job is needed.
Welcome back to another exciting video of Tesla. Today, we have something really exciting to share with you all. Get ready to witness an incredible moment as none other than Elon Musk himself takes center stage. That's right, folks. We're about to dive into some clever promotion by the man himself. Stay tuned as we unravel the details of this epic entrance. Trust us, you won't want to miss a single second of this jaw-dropping moment. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest buzz. Let's get started. Along with his son XR12 and a Tesla Cybertruck, Elon Musk was noticed at the 2023 Formula One Lenovo United States Grand Prix in Austin, Texas. This is not the first time that Elon Musk has attended a Formula One race, and in the past, he has shared his admiration for the sport as well as for automobiles in general. At the beginning of this year, Musk made the suggestion that there should be a Formula One race between electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles. Musk and X were seated in the Mercedes-Benz garage while watching the race. In October of 2017, a record number of people watched Formula E, the electric vehicle section of Formula One. It would appear that Elon Musk's participation in notable racing events, like as the Formula One Lenovo United States Grand Prix in Austin, is congruent with his broader interest in automotive innovation and the future of electric vehicles, both in mainstream markets and in competitive racing. This is the case because Elon Musk is the founder and CEO of Tesla, which is a major manufacturer of electric vehicles. Elon Musk's presence at the event, particularly when accompanied by the as-yet unreleased Cybertruck, is a strategic move intended to promote and increase visibility for Tesla and electric vehicles. It puts one of Tesla's most anticipated vehicles in the middle of a high-profile event, where it will attract the attention of people who are passionate about automobiles and who may become buyers. In the context of racing, it is a method of promotion that is both understated and highly powerful. It links the future of high-performance automobiles with the development of electric technology. Musk's interest in incorporating more electric vehicles into competitive racing is shown by his recommendation for an electric vehicle, EV, this hybrid Formula One race. This demonstrates Musk's advocacy for the use of electric vehicles in racing. Although there is a category dedicated to electric racing called Formula E, it hasn't been able to match the popularity or speed of Formula One. Musk is lobbying for breakthroughs in electric vehicle technology through his advocacy of higher performance electric vehicles in racing. These advancements in EV technology have the potential to one day bring Formula E up to the level of its gas-powered equivalent, or perhaps lead to the creation of an entirely new racing series. Elon Musk is well known for his love of automobiles and racing, and it is unquestionable that his attendance at such events reflects a personal interest on his part. Due to the fact that he is a prominent character, his presence at the event helps to attract additional media coverage, which in turn benefits the sport in general. This impact has the potential to quietly shift public opinion and interest towards a future in which electric motorsport racing is just as exhilarating and prestigious as traditional racing. It could be a strategic move for him to be seen in the Mercedes-Benz garage, despite the fact that he appears to favor other teams. This places Musk in close proximity to important players in the automobile sector, allowing for facilitation of contacts that could prove useful for future collaborations, potentially extending beyond the confines of the racecourse. These connections may prove to be especially beneficial as the car sector continues its march towards more reliance on electric powertrains. The presence of Elon Musk at events such as the Formula One race and his advocacy for the use of electric vehicles in professional racing both offer a number of advantages, not just for the companies that are directly involved, but also for broader social aims. When a high-profile figure such as Elon Musk attends a major racing event, it garners media attention and, by extension, raises public interest in his affiliated initiatives, most notably electric automobiles. This results in an increase in the overall number of people who are interested in purchasing electric vehicles. This increased curiosity can lead to higher customer demand for electric vehicles, which can enhance sales and inspire more individuals to consider purchasing electric vehicles for their next vehicle purchase. Musk's advocacy for electric vehicles is in line with a greater worldwide demand for environmentally responsible modes of transportation. which he is working to address. An increase in the popularity of electric vehicles, which is being propelled in part by their relationship with popular culture and celebrity endorsements, may result in a reduction in the overall carbon footprint associated with conventional gas-powered vehicles, which would be a big step towards achieving global environmental goals. The publicity surrounding electric vehicles and their appearance in high-profile situations, such as Formula One events, puts pressure on automotive firms to develop in order to stay competitive. As a result of this rivalry, consumers will benefit from improvements in battery life, charging times, vehicle range, and other aspects designed to make electric vehicles more appealing to people who may be interested in purchasing one. As the demand for electric vehicles increases, there is a corresponding need for additional production capacity, charging infrastructure, and the development of new technologies. All of these factors contribute to the creation of new jobs and the expansion of the economy. These businesses have the potential to provide a large number of new employment and to stimulate local economies, especially in sectors such as manufacturing, technology, and the construction of infrastructure. The movement towards electric vehicles is congruent with a larger worldwide trend towards energy autonomy. As nations shift towards the use of renewable energy sources and lessen their reliance on fossil fuels, they have a better chance of lessening their susceptibility to swings in the price of oil as well as political instability, which in turn can lead to a more stable economic environment. The increased use of electric vehicles leads to a reduction in emissions of hazardous gases and particulates from traditional vehicles, which contributes to cleaner air and lower rates of health conditions that are related to air pollution. This has positive implications for both the environment and human health. This shift is particularly noteworthy in metropolitan areas, which are home to the highest concentrations of air quality problems caused by emissions from motor vehicles. Introducing electric vehicles to racing events, such as Formula One, has the potential to transform the sport by showcasing the capability of electric powertrains. This could result in the creation of new racing categories, the acquisition of a new fan base, and the opening of new commercial and technological horizons for teams and sponsors. The increasing number of people tuning in to watch Formula E is an indication that there is a growing public interest in electric motorsports. Figures such as Musk are pushing attention to the possibilities of electric vehicles and the future of the industry. Musk appears to be making the most of every chance, whether it is through the development of new technologies, making public appearances, or advocating for the automotive sector. He is doing this with the goal of expanding the capabilities of electric vehicles, both on and off the racecourse. After toning up all of the relevant data, we found that Tesla's current gross profit margin per vehicle sold is $8,431. And even while that amount is still much greater, more than 3 times higher, it marks a terrible indicator for Musk's shareholders, despite the fact that it is significantly higher than what Ford or GM pull in each car. Tesla was ranking in an astonishing $17,865 of gross profit during the first quarter of 2022, which is more than double what it makes today. This figure is more than double what it makes today. And these kind of promotions is much needed to boost their sales and create an interest in the consumers that not only like Tesla, but also Formula One. As we dive deeper into the world of electric vehicles, it's clear that the future of racing is on the horizon. With the market expanding at an incredible pace, we can expect to witness a thrilling convergence of traditional and cutting-edge technologies. In the same way that Bird Chef, Henry's Hamburgers, and more recently, Quiznos and Boston Market have all come and gone, or are going, to compete with McDonald's, Tesla is beginning to feel the heat of true competition. However, this may turn out to be a positive thing. If they want to maintain their position at the top, they will need to exert more effort than they normally would because there is no significant competition directly above them. At this point, there is only one significant question that can be asked about the future. Will the Cybertruck be Tesla's arch, deluxe, or the crib? While Musk's proposal may not have been entirely original, it definitely got people talking and got the gears turning about the exciting possibilities of bringing electric vehicle technology into the thrilling world of Formula One. So stay tuned for more electrifying updates, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe for all the latest news in the fast lane.